Right, welcome back. For those having issue with how to add opacity directly as we have learned it under the form, so let me quickly teach you another way in which you can achieve this. So let's check our form and see what we have there now. Okay, this is what we currently have. So I'm going to remove the effect of this background now and add another one to it. So these are our CSS. Remember, I added background color, so let me just misspelled it. I don't want to waste time. I will have commented it out. Okay, let me quickly do that. Let me be professional. So this, then this, and I come here and then asterisk and this. So I've commented it out. It's not going to have effect again. So let's see. Can you see now? So it's not showing any background color now. So opacity too, let me comment it out. All right, so now I can still add another way. When I was doing HTML, I talked about different way we can add color, and this one is called hexadecimal color. So hexadecimal code, this hashtag 000 of a thing is hexadecimal code. But there are other colors. There are other ways in which we can add color. So there is this one we call background. There's this one we call RGB. R for red, G for green, and B for blue. Then I declare this. So the number falls within 0 to 255. 0 to 255. If we choose 0, so it means red. Okay, this is how we do it. Let's say I write 0 here, then you add comma, another 0, you add comma. Okay, let me use 255 now for the blue. So red 0, green 0, blue 255. This is what this means now. If I go and check it now, we're going to see that the blue that has 255 is the color that is going to show. Baby, come. So let me quickly save it and then go and check. Miss Dad is calling you. So let's quickly check it. Can you see it now? So this is blue background. Okay. So the same way, if you let this one be 255, let the red be 255, and this one 00, so it's going to have red. Papa, are we teaching together? So let's quickly see. So you see now. So that's another way. So you can actually choose like color mixture. Our primary colors are red, green, blue, if I'm right. So that is what this is all about. So now all other colors that we have are actually mixture of red, green, and blue. So if you want, let's say red 255, and let's see what it's going to give us. What does red plus blue normally give? I don't know, is it yellow or something? Let's check. So I will let this one be 255 too. So then come here to check it. Okay, it's giving us purple. So red plus blue. So that is how you can do it in many ways. Like, it's not necessarily 255. Oh. So I'm just using it. So any number between 0 and 255, you can choose it for each and every one of them. If we use 000 throughout, 0 000 throughout, so it's going to give us black. Can you see it? So 2555 throughout is going to give us white. Just like in hexadecimal, F throughout is giving us white, and 0 throughout is giving us black. Baby, I'm coming. So I'm coming. Okay, so let's say we choose 255 throughout, so it's going to give us white. Let me waste time. So we can actually choose any color. Let's say red. I'm choosing 50 for red. So all these things you can learn into Google to know the one that actually suits the color you want. So 50, let me say this one 70, and then probably this 80. So it's going to give us one beautiful color. I don't know. So let's check what it's going to give us. So can you see it? So it's like gray or so. So that is it. So now for opacity in this form, after this your RGB, you're now going to add A. So the A stands for alpha. So that is what works for opacity of the color of the background. So if you add RGBA now, you still add comma, and then you say 0.5 or 0.3 or 0.7, whichever one. Okay, let's try 0.3, and then see, it's going to be opaque now. So can you see? So it's actually too light. So let's go for 0.5. 0.5 is going to be better. Then you can also try 0.7. So can you see 0.5 now? So 0.7 now. So this is another way in which you can add opacity to your color. Just add a to that RGB and give it its own value. If it is 0.7, 0.8, it depends on how you want it. So 0.8. So alright, see you in the next class. Bye.